I guess in this video we will show you what is your connected Wi-Fi password after Windows 11 updates. So you know what is your Wi-Fi password, which is very simple. So you have to follow all the mentioned steps as I'm telling here. We will show by using two methods. The first of which is that right click on the Wi-Fi icon, then go to network and internet settings, then to advanced network options, then click on more network adapter options. You have to click on the select network, then click on Wi-Fi, then click on status, click on Wi-Fi properties, and here you are getting to see the options of security. Click on it. If you click on network security key, then your Wi-Fi password will be shown. And now the second method is the run command. For this you have to press the Windows and R buttons together. Then you have to search in the open bar ncpa.cpl. After opening it, the option of network connection comes. All the rest of the steps as same as before.